In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Linktree username. Your Linktree username is what appears at the end of your Linktree URL. So changing it is a big deal for your branding and for any links you've already shared. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step. And I'll also point out a few things to keep in mind so you don't accidentally break links or confuse your audience. First, open your browser and go to your Linktree dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log into your account and you should land on the main admin area where you can see your links. This is your home base inside Linktree, and from here you can access all the important settings, including your account details and username. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option labeled Account. It's usually located in the main navigation menu or in the settings area. Go ahead and click on Account. This is where Linktree keeps everything related to your profile, billing, and personal details. So anytime you want to make changes to how your profile appears, this is the place to come back to. Inside the account section, you'll see an option that says Change Username. Click on that. This brings up the specific settings panel for updating your username. Before you actually change it, take a moment to think about the new username you want. Ideally, it should match your name, brand, or handle on other social platforms so that people can easily recognize and remember it. Next, type in your new username in the field provided. As you type, make sure it's simple, clear, and easy to spell. Avoid using too many special characters and try to keep it as short as possible while still being recognizable. If the username is already taken or doesn't meet Linktree's requirements, you'll usually see a message prompting you to try something else. Adjust it until you find a unique username that works for you. When you're happy with the new username you've entered, click on Review Username Change. This step is there to let you double check your choice before it's finalized. Review the new URL it shows you and make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear. Once you confirm the change, your new username will go live and your Linktree URL will be updated. After you're done, remember to update any places where you've shared your old Linktree link so your audience can still find you without any issues.